What's up everybody, I'm Tom here from Coore and I'm with Kynan. Kynan, what are we doing today?
We're installing some parts.
That's exactly right. Most notably, we're going to be installing a Cobb Tuning 3-inch titanium catback on this BRZ from 2018. You ever installed an exhaust before?
I have not, but I've seen plenty of videos on YouTube before.
Nice. Be honest, what does the exhaust sound like that's on it right now?
From the outside it sounds great. From the inside though, you can feel it in the back of your head a little bit. It gets annoying after quite a while.
All you N1 people out there, I love you to death, but maybe you should go buy a Cobb.
Practically what you're saying.
So there's a little bit of history with this BRZ. We bought this off S&J Automotive. Those guys are racing some insane Subarus down in South Australia. Thank you so much. So they've just a couple of little treats in here as well. We've got an APR Performance Carbon front splitter. We've got a spoiler in the back. We've got Tomei titanium headers. We've also got some MCA suspension coilovers in here too. So thanks for the little treats, guys. I really appreciate it. And this car is amazing. We're going to try and make it even better.
This is angled. Perfect. As always.
What's it like installing an exhaust, Connor?
More complex Lego so far. You talk like this when no one else is.
Yeah. Even when I'm on my own, I'll start talking to myself. I get lonely. Oh man, I just talk.
So if you haven't figured it out from our last video, but we sell Cobb here at Coore and we distribute right across the country. So whether you're just an average Joe who wants one of these cool Cobb catbacks on your Subaru, or maybe you're a workshop and you want to start selling some Cobb and start fitting some Cobb, you know where to find us. I'll leave a link in the bio.
As long as you're within a mil, you won't make it.
That's a mil.
See, this one needs to go back further. Otherwise it'll leave you full you, mate. You've got gloves on and whoever touched it. 100% needs to look perfect. If it was Dad's car, we wouldn't worry.
But we did.
But we did. Alright, I stole a bottle of water, Troy.
That's alright. Help yourself all day, mate. Give it a rev.
You ready?
Ready.
Ready to feel the wrath?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, night and day difference. It's like it sounds like the sound's actually coming from the outside of the car, not the inside. Gets choppy at the higher RPMs. Not necessarily a bad thing, quite like it. But at the lower RPMs, it sounds like any car with a good exhaust should. Like I'm not getting a headache or anything.
So you happy?
Love it. All my friends who complained about the droniness when sitting in the passenger seat, I'm I'm not gonna have to listen to them whinge anymore. Tell me stuff I already know. I think it's great now that I don't have to worry about when I'm gonna drive the car. I can just hop straight in and drive without the fear of my ears being gone by the end of the drive. I can drive quite far now as well, because before you'd hop on the freeway and the whole time you're driving, the drone in your ears is just painful. But now I don't fear any length drive with this car because of the exhaust. The original exhaust we had on the car was kind of droney, very loud inside the car. And it sounds very similar to the new exhaust when outside the car, but inside the new exhaust has a much more raspy tone. And it definitely sounds like more of the sound is coming from outside the car rather than inside. If you want to pick up your own exhaust, head over to Coore. We're based in New South Wales, Australia. We distribute all across the country to anyone for all sorts of different cars. I'll leave a link in the description. Tune in next time when we install an Alcon big brake kit.